Sprinkle salt on the carpet. What happens next will surprise you. Take a medium-sized bowl and add about 150 milliliters of water. It's important that the water is not hot, just slightly warm. Then add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Salt helps remove stains and unpleasant odors. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, preferably with your favorite scent. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar, thanks to its properties, helps remove tough stains, dissolves dirt, and restores freshness to fibers. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that helps loosen dirt in the carpet fibers. You'll notice foam starting to form. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour the mixture over the stains on the carpet. Take a brush and scrub the stains well. This mixture works on most types of carpets. Finally, wipe with a towel or paper and wait for the carpet to dry. This simple and inexpensive method will help you get rid of tough stains and dirt. Your carpet will look like new. Sprinkle this on your couch and carpet, and you'll never pay for cleaning again. The unpleasant smell of mustiness and dirt will disappear. This trick works like magic and costs nothing. Grab a small bowl and add 2.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural stain remover, neutralizes odors, and absorbs moisture. Add 1/2 tablespoon of table salt. It helps lift dirt and has a gentle abrasive effect that tackles grime. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. It not only freshens the space but also brings a lovely atmosphere to your home. Mix everything thoroughly. Using a sieve, sprinkle the powder mixture evenly over the carpet. Let it sit for 20 minutes. That's when the magic happens. Do the same on the couch, covering every area. But don't stop there. After 20 minutes, vacuum the carpet and couch to remove residue, bacteria, and household allergens. Finish by wiping with a slightly damp microfiber cloth to remove any remaining powder. Your furniture and carpets will be cleaner than ever. Clean, fresh, and all natural. Mix everything together and pour it into a bucket. You'll quickly see that your floor has never looked this clean. No streaks, no dirt, and the shine lasts. Start with a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is great for removing stains and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of baking soda, which disinfects and cleans all kinds of surfaces, not just in the kitchen. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. It easily cuts through grease and grime. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. It degreases, shines, and has antibacterial properties. Now add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It kills bacteria and fungi, making it a key ingredient in this mix. Stir everything well. The mixture may fizz a little. That's normal. Pour in about 4 cups of warm water and mix thoroughly. Then add another 4 cups to make the cleaner ready to use. Transfer the solution to a mop bucket. But there's one final touch. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. It will leave your floor smelling fresh. Dip your mop, wring it out, and clean your floors as usual. The result? Shiny, spotless floors free from bacteria and dust mites. This one ingredient is enough to make this trick work wonders. Start by peeling a large orange. You'll only need the orange peel, so enjoy the fruit and save the peel. Place the orange peel in a pot and pour in 500 milliliters of water. Simmer these 2 ingredients on low heat for a few minutes and bring the mixture to a boil. Next, add a few tablespoons of salt and some baking soda. Continue simmering the mixture for a few minutes. Once done, remove the pot from the stove and let it cool. Meanwhile, in a separate container, pour a small amount of dish soap and a measure of vinegar. Carefully add the cooled orange peel mixture to the container with vinegar. As the 2 mixtures combine, you'll notice a foaming effect. This is the result of the ingredients reacting together. Prepare a bucket with warm water and add the freshly combined orange and vinegar mixture. This solution works perfectly as a cleaner for laminate floors, and the orange peel leaves your home with a delightful citrus fragrance. Pour this on the floor, and it will shine like a mirror. Grab a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt, which will enhance the effect of the other ingredients. Measure and pour in about 100 milliliters of laundry detergent. Choose one with your favorite scent for a pleasant aroma while cleaning. Laundry detergent helps remove dirt and stains from surfaces. Next, add 100 milliliters of vinegar, a natural cleaner that also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then, pour in 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will provide extra cleaning power and leave your surfaces shiny and fresh. Mix everything thoroughly. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easier application. Remember to shake well before each use. Pour the liquid on the floor, grab a mop, and clean away. Your floor will shine without any harsh chemicals, and there won't be a single streak. You can also use this mixture to clean kitchen countertops. This will save you from washing windows for months. Dirty windows after winter are a nightmare for every homemaker, but here's a quick way to get them sparkling clean. This is an effective method for cleaning windows after winter. Prepare a tall container and pour in half a liter of preferably warm, boiled water. Next, add some glycerin, which moisturizes and protects the glass surface. Then add vinegar, which effectively removes dirt and leaves glass shiny. Mix everything thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into a spray bottle and close it. Your homemade window cleaner is ready and perfect for daily use. Spray the windows generously and leave for a moment. Then, take a microfiber cloth and rub the solution over the entire surface. This is the best way to clean windows streak-free and make them shine perfectly. As you can see, the windows are perfectly clean and refreshed. You can enjoy sparkling, streak-free windows after winter. The solution is gentle on frames and leaves no streaks. No need to spend a fortune on expensive products. A clever trick with a binder clip that you've never heard of before. I wish I had known about this earlier because it's truly a genius solution. Sometimes we want to leave a window slightly open, but worry that it might open wider or close completely. Did you know that a simple binder clip can help keep the window in a fixed position? Just place the clip on the window frame. Then gently close the window until you feel resistance. Hook the clip onto the metal screw in the window frame. Done. This way the window will stay open by a few centimeters. It's a simple way to better control the window's position. It allows for ventilation without the risk of the window opening uncontrollably. Such clips are easily available and inexpensive. Just make sure it's securely attached. With this solution, you can enjoy fresh air in your home. Try this trick today and enjoy comfortable ventilation in your home. Every night, I would place a towel on the window, and it helped me a lot. This trick can come in handy not only at home, but also during exotic travels. There are a few simple tricks you can use to lower the temperature a bit. One of them is to hang a wet towel on the window in the evening. Take a towel and soak it in water. Make sure to wring it out well so that it doesn't drip. The moisture will make the room noticeably cooler right away. Another trick is to chill your socks in the fridge. Wetting them with cold water works just as well. Lowering the temperature of your feet triggers an automatic response in your body that increases circulation in that area, which in turn helps you fall asleep. A similar effect can be achieved by taking a cool bath or simply soaking your feet in cold water before bed. With these methods, you'll quickly cool down the room and feel much better.